Hey guys, what's going on? It's Brett here for another math question. So today we're going to be looking at dividing fractions. And you're probably thinking, I can't even count in fractions, let alone dividing them. But it's going to be really easy for us to do. You see, 1 divided by 8, it actually means, 1/8 actually means 1 divided by 8. They're the same thing. A divide symbol is just an empty fraction, a fraction line without a number on the top or the bottom, a numerator or denominator. And you can do fractions because I know you can divide. But we're going to work it out the exact same way as we have with the bus stop method before. We're going to draw our bus stop. Then we're going to put the 8 on the outside because that's the number we're dividing by. It wants to get in and have a piece of the 1. And then we're going to ask ourselves the question, how many 8s have we got in 1? Well, 1 divided by 8 is 0 because 1 is less than 8. So we got a remainder of 1, and this is probably where you're going to struggle. But it's not hard. You see, every number's got an invisible trail right here. We just don't bother writing it because we're mathematicians and we don't see the point in writing 0.00. But if we put a decimal point there, we can carry our 1 over and write a 0. So we've got our 0 remainder 1, and now we've got a 10 here. And we just keep doing the same thing. How many 8s have we got in 10? Well, we've got 1 with a remainder of 2. Again, there's nothing here, so we put in a 0. Ask ourselves the next question. How many 8s have we got in 20? Well, we've got 2. 2 times 8 is 16, and we're left over with 4. We have to count up 4 more to get to 20. So we do the same thing again. Put a 0, and then have our 4. Our remainder 4. Finally, how many 8s have we got in 40? 5. It's a nice even number. We just keep doing that until we've got them all. And now we can easily see that 1 divided by 8 is 0.125. So we know that the fraction 1/8 is the same converted to a decimal as 0.125. Okay, have a great day, guys.